Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Apple Pencil 2 pressure sensitivity not working, settings, pairing and app fix guide. Fix 1. Reconnect Apple Pencil 2. Open settings then go to Bluetooth. Now tap the eye next to Apple Pencil and select forget this device. Then attach the pencil to the iPad's magnetic connector and tap pair. Fix 2. Force restart your iPad. Press and quickly release volume up, then press and quickly release volume down button. Now press and hold the power button and keep holding until the Apple logo appears. Now release the button and let iPad reboot. Fix 3. Adjust iPad accessibility settings. Open settings on your iPad and tap accessibility in the left menu. Now select Apple Pencil from the options. Then turn off double tap action temporarily and adjust the double tap duration to default. Fix 4. Tighten or replace the nib. Grip the plastic tip firmly and turn the tip clockwise until it stops. Now ensure the tip sits flush with the base and unscrew counterclockwise if it remains unresponsive. Then screw on a fresh replacement tip. Fix 5. Reset Procreate brush settings. Tap your chosen drawing brush tool and tap brush again to open Brush Studio. Now select Apple Pencil from the sidebar and move the pressure size slider to maximum. Then tap Done to save your changes. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.